your boy Ray Smitty. And for those that have subscribed to my channel, I thank y'all so much. And if you've been looking for me to upload videos, man, I'm sorry for the wait, but I got this new job. They've been working your boy like a Hebrew slave, bro. So I'm off today, and I plan on getting some work done. I got some fire for y'all, man. I got some heat that I know you're gonna love. So stay tuned to me, lock in with me. It's the plug. It's your boy Ray Smitty once again. It's Andes, baby.
Yeah.
Look at this thing.
Yeah. Too up, too down.
Look at this
Hey.
thing.
Yeah. Yeah. I wanted the crown and to be celebrated.
Okay, today we're gonna swap motors. I got the Renfro modified with the GTX T-outliner blade on there. And what I want to do is take this boy and swap the motor. This motor is a bit stronger than this motor, so we're gonna swap it, and because this right here, this is my favorite, so I want my favorite to have the strongest motor. It's rubbing somewhere. So, my first question has been answered. Can this fit? Can I get it to fit? And absolutely. From the prongs, not from the motherboard, because that's just, it's a little bit more risky. Anytime you're dealing with the motherboard area, you really don't want to damage that. And it's just a lot easier. Once you get that hot, it will pop right off usually. Yo, what's up? Here to say it was a success, man. Got the blade on there. I mean, got everything put together right. Motor is fitting in properly without rubbing on anything. I had to go in and file some areas down. For the most part, I had to file down behind this screw with the Dremel tool so that it wouldn't rub against that. But that was the biggest issue. I also had to do away with that black encasement that goes under the lid. But all in all, man, it's hidden and it's working properly and very quiet. All in all, man, I'm happy about the mod. It's a great mod. But this motor that comes in the original still feels like it got a little one up on it. You know what I mean? It's just a little more powerful. Let's go inside it. I'm gonna show you everything in reverse. All right. Okay, so after taking that black encasement off, I did feel like I needed to pad this motor, and that helped stop it from any rattling also. And behind this screw is what I was talking about as far as what I had to file down. I had to file down the back of this right here. What else did I have to file down? The bottom of this black frame underneath the motor, just a little bit, and that was it pretty much. I got other mods that I'm gonna do. Like I said, I'm gonna do other mods to this trimmer as well. Man, be looking out for it. So this is not a finished product, but it's good enough right now to go against your top dogs. You feel me? So yeah, thank y'all for tuning in, man. Like, subscribe, comment, do all of that.